Meaning of deflation.
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 Deflation. Deflation is a decrease in the general price level of goods and services in an economy over a period of time. This can be caused by various factors, such as reduced consumer demand, increased productivity, or tight monetary policy. While deflation may initially seem like a positive development for consumers, it can have negative consequences for the overall economy. It can lead to a decrease in wages and profits, lower investment, and increased debt burdens. Deflation can also lead to a negative spiral where falling prices lead to decreased demand, which further lowers prices.